Product pages usually have the need for image magnification as it helps the buyer view finer details of the product. Sometimes you may need to add a magnifying glass to a standalone image on a generic page other than a product page. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to adding magnifying glass to images, and you don't want to miss a minute. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chooks from The Manager. Let's start the video. The first step to adding a magnifying glass for zooming into images is to install a plugin named WP Image Zoom. To install this plugin, we'll go to Add New Plugin and search for the plugin. This particular option will appear. We install, and after installation, we activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you can go to the settings from here or go straight to the settings of the plugin from this dashboard tab. The first settings we'll tweak is the shape of the lens. That's step 1 here. We'll use the circular glass for this particular video, but you can choose any one that you are comfortable with. Any one you pick, you can see a preview right here. In this next option, we can choose the type of cursor we want. If you pick that cursor, you'll see it shows as a zoom icon. I'm quite comfortable with this first one. You can pick whichever one you like. This option controls the animation into the image. If we increase it to 100, you'll see that the animation slows down and is more soft or softer. Let's leave it at 20 so that it's fast. After making the changes, you click Save Changes. Let's go over to the general settings. Over here, we'll see we have the option to enable the zoom on WooCommerce products and enable the zoom on mobile devices. There are also other settings here. Scroll down and make the changes you want, after which you save them. Image zoom is enabled automatically or by default in WooCommerce products. But for you to apply it to an image or on a post page, you have to go and apply it directly to that image. Let's use this post as our example. On the post edit page, click on the image you want to enable magnifying glass on, and then move to the block settings. When you get down to these styles section, you will find the option that says with zoom. In your case, it will be on default, so activate with zoom and update. Effects will not be applicable or visible here in the back end. To view the effect, we'll preview on the front end. You hover over this one and you see there is no zoom, neither is there zoom on this one. But when we get to this image where we applied the zoom effect, you can see that there's a zoom. So there you have it. You can now apply a magnifying glass to a single image on your posts or all the images in your WooCommerce page. Cool, right? Congratulations. Go ahead and practice this on your WordPress website and drop your questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, cheers.